Hey guys, Paul Carl here again. Yet again. This is like my third one today or something. It's after 5 in New York, so I've got my beer. And I know it's half gone, but I have a backup one in my Hummel's Office Plus cozy that Go Down and gave me today. She probably doesn't watch this, but that's alright. Um, so I got this site here to review now. We got super productivity. So I took a look at this like real briefly to see if it was what I wanted to do a review on. And it seems pretty cool. I like that it's got that material design, like that Google material design. It actually kind of looks like a lot like a Google app, which is pretty cool. Um, so let's see, super manage projects. I'm just gonna click around a little bit, create a project. I'll call this my drink beer project. Let's make it a dark theme and see what happens. Okay, you can drag and drop it around, edit, archive, export. All right, let's edit it. Oh. So I guess I can't click it to see what. Alright, so I guess I go here. I don't really know how this thing works. So I got a couple projects. I guess I'll create a task and see what happens. Drink Labatt. How do you even spell Labatt? Let's do blue light. Not the best beer, I know. I'm more of a Jenny guy, but this is what we have in the office. And since we're moving soon, someone has to drink the beer, so we don't have to move it. Recycle cans. Alright, I'm ready to work. Is that mark is done or undone? Is it recording time right now? Actually, I'm blocking scripts. I wonder if that's hurting this. Let me refresh. So what do I do? It's a start tracking time. What is this? Additional info. I think right off the bat, this thing is not very intuitive to use. So I guess I start tracking time. So, alright. Oh, I got a phone call. Let me add my... There's no way to add a task here. Well, I gotta take this call, so I'm gonna pause the recording and come back. Oops. This part wasn't supposed to be in here. Oh well. Alright, I'm back. So, it looks like it's still tracking my time. I've spent 2 minutes. So I don't know what I do, just hit it done. Alright, let's see, I'm procrastinating. This article. That's interesting. I'm just kind of curious what this does. Alright, back to work. So did that add it to... Is that in my notes now somewhere? I don't know. What's this? Backlog schedule. Finish my day. Good 7-minute workday. Not bad. I'll call that. I was only 50% efficiency because I had to take that call real quick. What can can I improve tomorrow? Everything. Oh, there's brakes too. I wonder where you can set your brakes. These are pretty cool stats. What's the metrics do? Settings. This is a really cool app, actually. I think this is neat because I'm kind of nerdy and I really like to see these types of metrics on stuff. I use Basecamp personally to work and track all my tasks. Um, so I wouldn't imagine myself switching to something like this because I like to collaborate. So like I give my clients access to Basecamp so they can see it. So something like this wouldn't work for me. Maybe if I was just doing like only affiliate sites or something, this would be cool. But with client work, I think Basecamp's better for me. But I like the data. The only thing is, it's kind of, it's a little confusing to me how all these, like, that you can't click this. Some of the things were kind of unintuitive. Um, but I think this is a really cool idea. And I really like, especially the metrics and being able to look at, like, not just what you did, but kind of how you felt about it and the things that distracted you. Like, I could see this being a really cool tool. What are these bookmarks? Is this for bookmarking projects? I don't know if it's for actual bookmarks. Cool. So maybe if you had like research or something. What is this? Is this time tracking again? For the Drink Beer project. Man, yeah, this is a cool little app. I really like this. Um, I don't really have any feedback on improving it. I just hope that as the developer, you can see how I interacted with it, and maybe that'll give you some insights. But yeah, this is a cool app, man. Good work. Uh, Please let me know if this feedback was helpful to you. I hope it was, and I hope you have a great night. Actually, I lied. I do have some feedback as I was doing some very advanced video editing here. I was thinking, after listening to it and checking to see if there's anything I should edit out or whatever, I realized that maybe like those, you know, when you sign up for like a new SaaS or like, I don't know, whatever web app, it kind of has like those little tooltips that pop up and give you like the guided tour, so to speak, and they kind of tell you like, go here to create your first project, go here to do blah, blah, blah. Basecamp actually does it. If you did something like that might help someone like me who is maybe a little dopey figure out how to work with your software and how to like get started and learn what each thing does. That could be a really cool feature to add at some point. But anyway, that's my last little bit of feedback. So once again, I hope it helps. Please let me know and have a good one.